Hello, this is A.THASNI from Department of Computer Science and Designing. Today we are going to see about the subject called as video creation and editing. In that, we are going to see about the understanding of calls fire versus consumer pro versus NLE. So, what is non-linear editing? Non-linear editing, which allows a non-destructive video or audio editing, where we can shoot the audio and we can edit the audio in a sequential form. And it is very flexible and it has a workflow where we can rearrange, we can trim and apply effects freely. The broad application which is used in the filmmaking and vlogging content and etc. we can use here for the non-linear editing system. So again, with the non-linear, which allows the non-destructive video or audio editing, and it has flexible workflow where we can rearrange the sequence or trim the sequence and apply effects freely. And broad application like used in filmmaking and blogging, content and creation, etc. So consumer versus NLE Pro. So this mainly designed for the casual users and beginners, offering an easy dialogue and drop interface with basic tools, which is perfect for social media and home videos and vlogs, often free of cost. And examples here is we can use iMovie, CapCut, Filmora, VN Editor, KineMaster, and Adobe Premiere Rush. So here consumer pro, which we mainly used to, this mainly used for the beginners and the casual user, which is offering an easy dialogue and drop interface with the basic tools and perfect for social media. Okay, and we can use it in a free of cost. Next one, Pro NLE user. So it offers advanced features for professional, including precision editing, color grading, and sound design. It handles high quality formats, supports plugins and scripting, and is used in film, TV, and studios. Here, main advantage of this is it includes the coloring, editing, and sound design, and it includes handles high quality format, supports plugins and scripting, and is used in film, TV, and studios. So here the examples is Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve Studio, Avid Media Composer, Vegas Pro. So these are all the things we can use to Pro NLE fields. But then here's the difference between the consumer NLE and Pro NLE, which is a non-linear editing. The main feature, first one is ease of use. Here in consumer NLE, it is very high in the usage, and Pro NLE, we can use it in a moderate from to advanced range. The main tools and features we can use in consumer and non-linear editing, which is a basic and intermediate. And in Pro NLE, we can use it in an expedient level. Those who are experienced, they can use the Pro NLE, and those who are beginners and the casual user or intermediate user, they can use the consumer NLE. And the performance is mainly for consumer NLE, it is for light editing, and a Pro NLE, it handles heavy workflows. The cost for consumer NLE is free of cost, and for Pro NLE, it is paid and license subscription. And for consumer NLE, it is best for casual creators. And for Pro non-linear editing, it is for professional and studios editor. They'll be using this Pro NLE. So the features are, it is very easy to use. Tools and features are basic to intermediate. Performance is for light editing. Cost is for free of cost, and best for casual creators, professional and studios. So which one you should use? First one, it start simplifies, which break with the consumer NLE and grow with your skills. And Go Pro, it's just serious work. Choose a professional sequence with filmmaking and serious projects. And DaVinci Resolve, which others both free and studio version, and it is for ideal. Thank you.